Dear students, this is for first year BA optional English students. Introduction to Mipassan and discussion on this study. To introduce the students to Gay D. Mipassan, to educate them about the consequences of discontentment in life. Main characters. Main characters of the story: Mathieu Ocel, Monsieur Ocel, Madame Frostrier. Mathieu Ocel, the protagonist of the story, generous woman on the outside with a bland persona. She wanted to lead a luxurious life, self conscious about her middle class status. Monsieur Loisel works as a junior clerk in the Ministry of Education, husband of Mathieu, hard-working and simple man satisfied with his social status, loves his wife and makes sacrifices to please her. Madame Frontiest, Mathilde's good friend. Setting: 1884, Paris, France. Lazel apartment, Frontier's house, the ministerial mansion where the ball is held. Time span 10 years. Plot review. Mathieu Loiseau is a pretty and charming but feels miserable. She was born in a family of clerks and she married a little clerk, which she describes as an accident of fate. Although she has a loving husband and comfortable home, she is unsatisfied. She has always imagined herself as an aristocrat. She would have given anything to be popular, envied, attractive, and in demand. One day, Mathilde's husband, Monsieur Loz, brings her an invitation to a fancy party hosted by Ministry of Education. Monsieur thought his wife would be very excited with the chance to attend such an event, but she threw away the invitation letter and started crying. Through her tears, she complained about not having a pretty dress to wear. Monsieur is upset by her reaction, agrees to give her 400 francs to buy a pretty dress. She had no gowns, no jewels, nothing. She loved nothing but that she felt made for that. He had saved the money to buy a rifle. As the days of the party was approaching, Mathieu becomes anxious again. She was disappointed because she thought she did not have any jewelry to wear. Monsieur suggests her to wear flowers, but she refuses. Mathieu, on Monsieur's suggestion, went to Frostrier's house and borrowed a sparkling diamond necklace. The story revolves around a charming and pretty but selfish lady named Mathieu. She is unsatisfied with her life and always wanted to lead a luxurious life. Mathieu rejects the party invitation, complained about not having a pretty dress to wear. Monsieur gave her 400 francs to buy a fancy dress. Mathieu also borrows diamond necklace from her wealthy friend, Madame Frostier, to wear to the party. Thank you.